Today could be a disaster because we're gonna open a new product I just got. Actually, it's not necessarily a new product, but we're gonna open this out of the box and I'm gonna set it up and just try and go and see what happens. And I'm gonna attempt to play guitar for like the first time in like 2 years. Because most of you guys know I'm a bassist. I can get away with playing guitar for sound check if I need to, but I'm not a guitar player, I'm a tech. But today we are gonna rip this bad boy open. I finally got this in the mail. This is the Line 6 HX Stomp. So this is a stomp box version of the Line 6 Helix, which is usually in a rack mount or a big floorboard. The simplest way to put this is a digital guitar rig in a fucking stomp box. The funny thing is, a lot of people always talk about like Kemper, Axe Effects, Neural, great products. And I feel like general consumers don't take the Helix seriously enough because it's Line 6. Line 6 makes good products. I've seen more people on tour use Helix than Kemper, Axe, or Neural. So I decided to go with the floorboard version of this because I'm doing, or the stomp box version of this because I'm not doing anything crazy. I just wanted something that's going to plug straight into the interface and just play. Because the problem with, we've encountered this, the problem with trying to play on stream from plugins that I use on my computer, so there's always stupid delay and the way you got to set it up is stupid. This thing I can just plug into my interface and it'll act as like a microphone line basically. So let's unbox this bad boy. I'll give you guys a little ASMR here for those of you that like unboxings and stuff. But yeah, this is the Line 6 Helix HX Stomp. I've already had guitar players I know send me their IRs, their settings. So we're going to be able to plug in like actual guitar players' tones into this thing eventually and see how they sound like soloed. But here we go. All right, nice little packaging here. Looks good. Oh, I need a knife. Hold on. I believe it or not, I always have a knife on me. No good roadie goes without a knife anywhere. Here, let's get that ASMR going. Hold on. I feel like I'm just going to rip this whole thing open. All right. So right off the bat, we've got our instructions, obviously. Our instruction manuals. I like the first thing I saw on this thing is it said cheat sheet. I like that. License agreement, don't want that. Nobody reads agreements. Warranty. Okay, so here we go. Right away, we've got, so the first thing it comes with right there, your HX Stomp cheat sheet. I like that. Oh my God, they have a preset on here that says Pastor of Muppets. What do you think that is? Those are some of my favorite things on these because they can use the tones, but they can't call them the same things. I assume this is our power. Unboxing ASMR. Oh, that's an interesting wall outlet. Oh, you want me to pop the bubble wrap for the subs? You guys got to pay extra for that. All right, so let's actually look at this bad boy. Dude, this thing is such a perfect size for, you can put this on a tiny little pedal board and you're good to go. And I know a lot of people do that. They actually run this on their pedal board with, you can run this with other effects. It's got a good new smell to it too. All right, so here we go. It's got MIDI, everything in there. It's got a headphone jack. All right, let's plug this in. I should probably get my second camera going so you can see this thing like after I set it up. Okay, now we're good. Let's see if I remember how to do all this. It's been a while since I've had to run any kind of guitar stuff. Let me get a guitar. All right, let's see what we got here. Where's the... Oh, look at that. Pretty. Oh my God, I think we got it. First time. Yeah, buddy. That's such a black metal tone. These are some interesting presets. The fucking wah in here is called Obi-Wah. I haven't played guitar in so long, dude. Hold on, let's see what drop G would sound like on a 6-string. It sounds like a fart. All right, I'm going to read along with the tabs on this and see if I can remember how to play kill switch engage. It's probably horrible. I think I'll remember this. My picking hand is so out of shape, dude. Yeah, it was probably a dumb idea to try and relearn how to play guitar after a couple years with a fucking kill switch song. That's my bad. I mean, dude. I guess I can't start with Fear Factory anytime soon either, huh? Yeah, I'm not. Everybody's fucking telling me to do shit. Guys, I'm serious when I say I haven't played in that long. Woo. Let's play some really easy stuff. Let's play some stuff by one of the biggest bands in the goddamn world. But that's, you know, I'll tell you what. That goes to my point that I talk about with people. Like, it doesn't have to be fucking super fucking technical to be good. Rammstein writes some really simple fucking songs, and their music is awesome. Here, I'll give you an example. Here, we'll see if the tabs are right, but the tabs for America. Now, that is a very simple song, and there are probably other songs that I would not be able to play, but like, I've never tried to play that song, and just by sight reading, like, it's very simple. But guys, I'm going to jump off. Thanks for hanging out with me, just dicking around for a while. I mean, I know this probably wasn't the most entertaining of streams, but I wanted to open this up and just check it out and see how it works. This was kind of fun. I kind of want to, you know, work on my guitar skills, so maybe someday I can actually be good enough to fucking play something good.